So the carbon reactions, they happen in stroma. Stroma was the liquid part here. We said that was stroma. Carbon reactions use carbon dioxide. That's where the plant needs the carbon dioxide. And in carbon reactions, chloroplast will use ATP that's produced from the light reaction, and NADPH that's also produced from the light reaction to make glucose. If you're taking notes, maybe say light reaction produces ATP and NADPH. Dark reaction makes the sugar, glucose. This is very complicated. If you look at it, I'm not asking you to know this. This is just general bio intro. But if you were to take maybe plant biology, then you will have to learn this. So the only thing I want you to know here is what's going in and what's coming out. So this is known as carbon reaction, also as Calvin cycle. So these are the names for this part. All these are, mean same thing. This called the Calvin cycle before. Now they're trying to go towards more of the objective names, like independent reactions or dark reaction, because it doesn't use light. They're not calling it Calvin cycle, but that's also one of the names. And this is the part that produces sugar. So those are, again, the same names. So we said what's going in is carbon dioxide. That's where plants are using carbon dioxide. One enzyme that I need you guys to know is called the ribisco. Ribisco is going to take the carbon dioxide and modify it and turn it into glucose. If you were to take all the enzymes that exist on Earth and measure them, the amount, ribisco is the most abundant. And that's because there's a lot of, green plants there. They use ribisco. So this is the enzyme that I need you guys to know. Ribisco is going to add carbon dioxide to RUBP. Don't worry about RUBP. The only thing I need you to know, it's making this sugar. It's putting those molecules together. So ATP and NADPH from the light reactions are used here in this reaction. And then it says PGA is converted to PGAL. Don't worry about that. I can explain what it is, but you don't have to know about it, okay? So it's just basically taking this carbon dioxide and putting it together. And if you know the formula for glucose, you know that it's a molecule of 6 carbons. So it's making this PGAL, that's 3 carbon chain, and then it's turning into glucose. Basically, that's what it's referring to. So you don't have to, I'm not gonna ask you anything that mentions PGA or PGAL. And then one PGAL leaves, multiple PGALs combine to form glucose. So it'd be, if it's 3 carbon chain, 2 3 carbon chains going to combine to make a 6 carbon glucose molecule. And the byproducts that are, remaining molecules, they are rearranged. They're rearranged, and those are used to make ribisco. RUBP is the name for ribisco. So ribisco is reformed, starting a new cycle, and then it can be used again. So this is a cycle. Ribisco is taking this carbon dioxide, ATP and NADPH here, making this glucose molecule. Byproducts are being recycled to make more ribisco, and the cycle continues. So what's going in here is carbon dioxide, ATP, NADPH. What's coming out is sugar, glucose, 6 carbon molecule.